of nature and what anomalies tell us about development and evolution. Gusty winds now statewide. View light snow showers continue in and around Des Moines. Steadily falling temperatures this afternoon. Wind chills around 20 below zero in central Iowa by mid-afternoon. Around 18 below in eastern.
Support comes from the Iowa Energy Center, dedicated to improving Iowa's energy efficiency through simple offering all series of operations for the everyday energy saving effort. Information at energy.com and state.com. This is Iowa Public Radio, 99.9 FM.
National Weather Service Office, with the transmitter on the KIMT television tower near St. Edgar, Iowa. The current time is 12:02 p.m. Central Standard Time.
The greatest snowfall amounts over the three-state region include 16.3 inches at Dakota in Winona County, Minnesota, 15.6 inches at Winona in Winona County, Minnesota, 15.5 inches at French Island in La Crosse County, Wisconsin. Amounts from the local area, 14.0 inches, 1 mile south of Peterson, 12.5 at New Hampton, 10.0 at Cresco, 10.0 at Grand Meadow, 10.0 at Osage. Through the late morning hours and continue through mid-afternoon, then decrease later this afternoon and evening. These strong winds will cause blowing and drifting snow with whiteout conditions and near-zero visibility. Falling temperatures combined with strong winds will result in wind chill values of 0 to 15 below by mid-afternoon. Wind chills will fall to 20 to 30 below zero by late tonight. This is an extremely dangerous storm. Whiteout conditions will make travel nearly impossible, with road closures possible. Combined with the falling wind chills, this storm may result in loss of life if proper precautions are not taken. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. At Mason City, fog was reported, reducing the visibility to 1/4 of a mile. The temperature was 6 degrees. The wind was northwest at 33 miles an hour, gusting to 47, producing a wind chill of -19. The pressure was 29.56 inches and was falling, reducing the visibility to 1/2 of a mile. The temperature was 10 degrees. The wind was northwest at 29 miles an hour, gusting to 38, producing a wind chill of -11. The pressure was 29.49 inches and rising. At Decorah, light snow was falling. The temperature was 19 degrees. Snow was falling at Albany and Preston. At Rochester, snow and blowing snow were reported. Across the rest of the region, at Sioux Falls, it was sunny, with a temperature of 3. At Des Moines, snow and blowing snow were reported, with a temperature of 10. At Minneapolis, snow and blowing snow were reported, with a temperature of 10. And now a look at your north-central Iowa forecast. Today, snow in the morning, and light snow likely in the afternoon. Blowing snow through the day. Windy, snow